Hello everybody. This is a video showing how we removed the air compressor pump from a 2000 Ford F-150 with a 5.4 liter in it. Showing down through here, this should be pretty good. What we did was, on these, they tell you that you can just take this belt off and get a shorter belt and put it on. The problem with that is right underneath this pulley is a little knob, just about like that. And what happens is, with the original pulley on there, you can't put another belt on the way it runs. You can't, because this belt runs down through. So what you have to do is you have to get a smaller pulley. So what we ended up doing was taking the pulley off the belt tensioner, the old belt tensioner we had, which is right over there, basically fell apart. And what we did was, here, let me show you. This is the belt pulley. And that pulley was right here. What we did was we took the belt tensioner pulley off, put it where this is. And what that did was that gave us the ability to go around this and then around the belt tensioner, then down around the crank. Everything else is the same. The only difference is like I said, this pulley is about a 1/4 inch bigger in diameter than this pulley right here. So the belt we used was from Napa. It is an 80 or 080797. Put it on, put everything on, pulled the tension down, and then back slid this right on. And she starts up good to go. And I will show you